Hey guys, welcome to my channel TheMonaZine. I'm so happy to have you here today. Now take a look at this. We have all had a cooking disaster, but this one takes the cake. This pastel green pan is completely scorched in the center and no amount of scrubbing is ever going to save it. But you are in TheMonaZine. We don't throw things away, we make them beautiful. Today, we are going to upcycling this kitchen nightmare into a gorgeous text 3D pond scene. We will use clay to sculpt vibrant, fresh and stunning centerpiece flower right out the dark water. If you love creating transformation, make sure to like this video, subscribe and let's get crafting. So our very first step is to erase the nasty burn because ceramic can be very stick and dark. I started by covering the entire inside of the pan with a thick layer of white gesso. This acts as our primer, ensuring our colors stay incredibly vibrant and don't peel off. In the meantime, I took some vibrant green clay to create some lotus leaf. To make them look realistic, I flattened out small circle, snipped a little V shape out of the edge and used a knife to press little vein texture into those leaves. I need at least 8 to 10 leaves for covering the whole pond. It look good if you put more. Using knife, I carefully cut the V shape so it more look like a lotus leaf. I will arrange them floating around the edge of the deep blue water. And of course, a pond isn't complete without the flower. For flower, I am thinking to use a pink color clay. If you don't have this colorful clay, then you can use normal clay to sculpt the leaves and flower, everything. I made a tiny flower petal first and then using the knife, I shaped them a tiny little lotus petal. Then one by one I joined and create a lotus. This will create a perfect frame for our main character. Like this, I made a 4 to 5 lotus in the same process. I love how it turned out. It is a tiny, vibrant flower. In the middle, I put little bit of green. Maybe later part I will color it in yellow. So my clay lotus and lotus leaf are ready. How it is looking, let me know in the comment section. Now time for the showstopper. We will make 2 fish. I am using air dry clay to sculpt 2 elegant fish. The secret to making them look like they are actually swimming is giving their body an organic curve shape. I molded the main body first, smoother them down into the pan and then carefully attach their beautiful flowing fins. When you sculpting the fish fins and tail with clay, don't worry about shaping them perfectly with your finger. Press the clay flat onto the pan first, then use a toothpick or knife or needle tool to drag the line through the edges. Air dry clay shrinks slightly as it dries, which means it might try to pop out or crack away from a metal pan. If your fish loosen up after drying, don't panic. Just gently lift them, apply a few drops of strong glue or any glue and press them back down. It will be absolutely fine. Now time to paint our water. I wanted the pond to look like it has a natural growing depth. I blended a deep, moody royal blue around the sleepy edges of the pan, transforming into a lush forest green and finally a brilliant sunny yellow green right into the center where our fish will swim. The contrast already in my mind look magical. Now let's see how it turned out in the canvas. Oh, sorry, today is not our canvas, it is our pan. To give the water some motion before adding the rest of our element, I took a very fine detail brush and painted light white ripped line directly onto the background. Wrapping around our fish, this instantly gives the illustration that they're breaking the surface of the water. After adding those tiny lotus leaf, it feels real. Now it pop up. What do you think? Once all the clay elements were set and secure, it was time for the real magic. Slowly, I adding the detail, I adding the pond depth. For the fish, I wanted classic striped fish, so I painted them with a brilliant fairy orange, leaving stark white patches for contrast. Adding tiny black detail on their eyes and scars completely brought them to life. To seal everything together and give it that true liquid water effect, our final step is a gorgeous layer of high gloss varnish. Watch how the color instantly deepen the moment the varnish hit them. It creates a gorgeous mirror-like scene over the entire piece, making the clay fish and leaves look wet, glossy and fresh out of the real garden pond. For the handle and outside part, I choose a black color so my pond can vibrantly look prominent. Also, I added little bit of diamond in the edge so it can look shiny. And there you have it. From a complete ruin kitchen frying pan to a stunning 3D piece of living art. I'm completely in love how it turned out. Thank you so much for joining me today on this upcycling journey here at the TheMonaZine. Let me know in the comment what you think of this transformation and let me know what household object should we rescue next. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.